Good morning, today 80. Day 80. Morning, buddy. Got loads happening yesterday. So we actually have all of the groundworks marked out for what in effect is the back of the patio, the annex and the pool. So I'll spin it around, show you what's going on. Okay, so we're actually on the annex at the moment. So as you can see, there's the footing wall that's going to come straight from the irrigation areas. So that will be a footing going right through here, joining the far wall, and then obviously the footing goes right over to the corner, and then they've already started boxing up the far wall footing, as you can see. And you can see rebar's already starting in there as well. So that will become the footing of the spare building. And as you can see, it comes off, that's the side of the house here. That will come right through, so the building will come right to the ground. And as you can see, just over where that guy's standing, that fishing wire on the top, that's the height of the pool. And all of this, as you can see, the marl here, right up to that wall there, technically we're going to fill it up with marl. So, marl, lots of marl. The footing to the storage area has already been laid. So again, straight from that wall there. That's got to be taken right over to this line here. But we need to keep this part open to try and get all of the marl in, because that marl has also got to be taken into the swimming pool to do the levels that we're looking for in the pool area. The storage area itself, they started blocking the wall at the end, as you can see. So again, the overhang part of the wall is going to be 12-inch. So you can see the 12-inch wall on the left going into an 8-inch wall afterwards. So the overhang of the building, we're going to have a big overhang that comes right out all the way to the roof, and then is an overhang shade. That's got to be 12-inch blocks. So there's a huge weight stroke depth difference between the two. The infinity edge is coming up as well. The areas and access areas into the pump room have been sorted out and boxed in, ready for pour. And all the scratch coats internally in the irrigation and pump rooms have been done. They just need to be finished off, obviously with a different coat, as of the walls like this. Upstairs, as far as I'm aware, is pretty much finished. It's just now cutting in the boxing for the air conditioning, access hatches, etc. Other than that, that's pretty much ready to go. So I need to talk to them about that today. But this is their main focus at the moment. It's literally getting this dug out, footing cemented in. Morning. And load after load after load of marl going in to finish off. So this block wall will come right up the same height as all the other walls here. This swimming pool wall will come right up as well, in line with all the actual lines that they pulled on these 4x2s here, which are up in the air. So there's an orange one coming across here, another one at the far end. So they pulled their lines and what they're doing. And it's frightening to think that this marl has to go the same height as that wall here. Once this wall here is actually built all the way up, and so is the other side of the building, and this is boxed in, all of this has got to be full of marl and packed down. And then there's a big concrete slab that's going to go on top, which is going to be the patio roof. Morning. So loads happening. Been a busy day for them, fair play. Still lots more to do. Let's see if I can get you a quick sneaky peek of the roof if I can get up there. Yeah. So the roof is nearly done. Just need to obviously box in all these air conditioning holes and access hatches and stuff like that. So we've got the water and everything that's going to land up coming in around about here somewhere. Water and gas into the kitchen. Here we're going to have electric and solar. And then on every single one of the rooms there's going to be an inlet and outlet for the air conditioning. So they've got to be boxed in before we pour, otherwise we're not going to go through the concrete. And then they've got to box in all of these outside beams. These have all got to be boxed in and poured as well. So yeah, loads complete, loads accomplished. Still plenty more to do. So 4 o'clock on a Friday afternoon. Just come to site, see how things are going. Sorry about the close up there. Wow. Things are progressing as always. Okay, nice big wall built. Formwork done. More footings set out, more rebar down. Okay. Plenty happening. Spin it around, show you. Okay, so that wall's up. Formwork is now coming out here for this. This is the edge of the patio area and the beginning of the annex. I'm gonna call it an annex. Our freshwater system is going in here. So the annex itself goes all the way along that wall behind and then along here. All the way to the end, boxed across. So this will be the 17, 18 foot by 40 foot unit. There's the actual footings for it there, which will join that. So they're setting those in. This mile, obviously, like I said this morning, is going to go into the swimming pool area. This is the edge of the storage areas in line with the swimming pool. So they've obviously got that right up today. So that's a lot. Tyson?
Hey, champion.
How are you, buddy?
Good, man.
You good, man? There's nothing more to do in here, obviously. It's all done. Obviously been compacting the floor down there. Not too sure if that's hard enough, but compacting that, compacting here. Also doing that. Let's have a look around. Okay, so boxing up done. Boxing up around here has now been complete. Sorry about the wind. Try and block it for you. So boxing up around here has been done. All the way down that side as well. Let's have a look down here. Sorry about the wind. Boxing's been done along here. All the way down. The wind is brutal around this area when it plays up, which is good. Yeah, boxing all the way down here. Boxing all the way down the front. How's it going? Hi guys. Yeah, boxing all the way down here as well, which is good. Excellent. Hi buddy, how are you? Not too sure what that means when you say hi, how are you? On a Friday afternoon everyone says, yep, just here. I'm not sure what that means. I have to ask someone. That's the corner they're going to concrete in, which joins the house to this storage area we're doing. They've taken up the infinity edge, so I'm pretty sure that's as far as the infinity edge goes, as in these metal things here. It should be lower than that, actually, saying that. Yeah, that's about the height it's going to be. And it's going to be quite a large drop. That's all going to be glass. It might go as high as that rebar. The pool itself, yeah, nothing in there yet. And obviously they've boxed in and poured where the actual pipe work, etc., is going to need to go for the infinity edge. So they're boxing up around here. Our water's obviously going to trickle straight off the front of the glass, straight down to this trough, and then be regurgitated in to the pump room here. I'm going to have to get these holes filled in better. I know they're good masons, but this needs to make sure it holds off all water. And obviously they've scratch coated that side because that's going to be plastered flush and painted. So yeah, lots happened again today, which is good. So that's great news. Let's put that petrol tank away. Let's have a quick look upstairs. One's broken. That's handy. Looks quite good up here. So apart from now the air conditioning holes, the water holes, gas holes, anything that services feeds, that's pretty much ready to pour now. So I'm not too sure if I have to support this any more than it is. I assume they do. It's very wobbly. But then they're good to pull, which is good. Here's me, look. Here's me talking away. Not so the roof itself is all done. Obviously this is going to have to be sturdied more, but once that's actually sturdied more, then they'll be pouring on here, which is great news. Look how high up they are compared to everything else. All the way along, and then the patio is going to carry on straight out that way to join those walls at the other side. Great news. So back down here, dodging the broken step. Down there sorted out, obviously. Getting that cleared out. Other than that, it's all looking good. That's pretty much it for today. They'll be working Saturday and probably Sunday as well, so I'll get down tomorrow morning and check in, get the camera set up, and then report in everything I can find I need to do. Other than that, hope the week's been good, and have a great weekend.